Hi everyone! October is just a few days away, meaning it's time for Inktober. New to Inktober? Please watch this video to know what you need to know and for a special tip. There are many versions of Inktober with their own set of prompts, but the official prompts for the worldwide challenge are the ones posted by Inktober.com. Prompts for 2024 are out, and it's high time we brainstorm if not done already. Art challenges get much easier with some preparation done beforehand. There could be many creative ways to look at a prompt, so if we are not prepared, we might end up drawing what comes to our mind first when we think of the prompt, which is totally fine. But on spending a little time with the prompt, our mind opens to a lot of new ideas associated with the prompt. We might think of something more creative and want to draw that instead. So let's brainstorm the prompts for Inktober 2024 and explore our options. Welcoming you to this new series, Inktober 2024 Brainstorming Prompts, where in each session we shall brainstorm a prompt from Inktober 2024's official prompts list. I'll see you soon with ideas for the first prompt, backpack. Thank you.